Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. First of all, we will customize this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So as I said, let's tap on the display. Here we have to enter the night light because this is the option we're looking for, and before we will be able to customize it we have to tap on this switcher, so turn on now. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can change the intensity of that feature. It's totally up to you. By going to the left with the switcher you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. It's really orange, so as I said, totally up to you which option is the most comfortable for you. You can also reduce the white point, you can set it on high or low option, and to be honest, that's not what I wanted to do. And to be honest, it simply changes the kind of the brightness of the screen, but not really. You simply have to play with this switcher too and decide which option is the most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature, so you can turn it on automatically, just tap on this option, and you can turn it on at custom time, which means that you can freely choose the start and the end time, or turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and then your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are, I believe, and it is for sure location based. So this is how it works here. As I said, totally up to you. And this is the customization of this mode. You can also have much faster access to this option. Simply unroll the top bar, and let's unroll it fully to open all of those toggles icons, and we have to find the night light. Unfortunately I cannot see it here, but that's okay, no worries. All we have to do is to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down. As you can see here, we've got some additional shortcuts which we can add to the default one. So here we've got night light. Let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first section. We can go back now. Let's go back, and as you can see, the night light will immediately appear on this list. We can basically use it just by tapping on it. You can tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.